This tutorial will show you how to use the subject areas, the resource development area, and how to create folders and upload files into those areas. The areas I'm talking about are in the classroom section from the top right hand corner, and are located here, subjects and resource development. They're very similar areas. The subjects area is a set of folders and resources that pupils and staff can access. Pupils can only read or download the resources, whereas teachers can change and upload to this area. It's worth mentioning that you can upload to any folder, even if it's not your subject, so please be very careful about where you put your resources. The resource development area is very similar to the subjects one, but only teachers can see and upload to this area. Pupils can't see the area at all. So the resource development area is designed as an area where you could kind of upload all your files to test they work, set your structures up, and then move it over to the subjects area when you think it's ready for the pupils to use. With regards to creating folders and uploading files, I'll show you that. Various subjects have started some work on their areas. I'm going to go into ICT and computing. Just double click to go inside. I'm going to make a folder now. I know we need a computing folder in here, so I'm going to say new and then folder. Obviously what I'd like you to do is find your subject, or if the subject isn't made, you can make that folder already. So new and then folder. I'm going to call it computing. And say OK. And I'll make with the computing folder there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some files into there that I already have on my laptop, or you could have it on your drives or in a user area, wherever you have it really. So double click on whichever folder you've just made. New and then files or file. I can upload multiple files to this section. So if I say select file, I'm going to go to my Dropbox. That's where my files are. But again, this could be a memory stick, it could be your laptop, it could be something on our network, anything at all. Anything that you would like to use or set to the pupils to use as well. So inside my folder here, computing, I have I've got a big chunk of files here, including some shortcuts, some PowerPoints or whatever. I can multiple select those by clicking on the first one and then holding down Control in the bottom left hand corner of the keyboard, and I can select multiple files. I'm just going to choose all them. And then press open. And what it will do is, as I showed you in tutorial 1, it will list all the files here, and I can press upload files on the top right here, and that will start to upload all the files I have. If you wish to cancel any of these files, you can just press the red cross if you're quick enough, or you can just close the whole thing to cancel the entire process. If you're having any problems using this uploader, you can press here to use the basic uploader. Just finishing the last PowerPoint. Okay, I'm just going to close it there, it's taking quite a while. And what it's done, it's put all of my resources into that folder. I can then, if I want to, delete individual files or move them if I wish to as well. Bearing in mind I've just done this in the resource area, so obviously students cannot access this area. If I wanted to move this entire folder across, I can go back here and I can click on the computing folder as a whole and say edit move. And all I have to say is I can go to shortcuts on the left hand side here, and I can select subjects and go to ICT and just say OK, and that will move. As you can see, that folder's gone from here now. If I go to the subjects area and go inside ICT, the folder I have made and uploaded files to is right here. So that is how to upload files and create a folder and use the subjects and resource development area.